Hello everyone, we are back with Glenn Belville Reviews here, and we just got this 48-inch cat tree from Chewy.com. It's called Heavy Duty, so we'll see how heavy it is. Sorry for all the noise in the background. My bird is in the back of us, and someone is running around upstairs. My sister with the baby is running around upstairs in the apartment, so it's a little crazy, but okay, cool. And anyway, we're doing this, and so it's a 48-inch cat tree that we got from Chewy. We're gonna open it up. It's supposed to be a really good one. Let's see how heavy duty it is. So let's open it up, see how long it takes to build. This is gonna be a full review on it, building it and stuff like that. You'll see how tall it is. I'll put the camera a little bit higher when I start building it, obviously. But this is so you could see everything on the layout when I build it from the bottom up. And then we'll see if she uses it later. Hopefully she does, the new cat that we got. The other one was a lot smaller, narrow, so it was hard for her to use it. She didn't really like it. It wasn't as sturdy as the other one that we got from Chewy. We bought that other one from Amazon. It had good reviews, but it's probably for a cat that's like 10 pounds or less. If you looked at my other videos, a couple before this, you'll see a review on us building that one off Amazon. And like I said, that one was okay, but it was made for, you know, cats 10 pounds or less. Our cat is almost 15 pounds, so it's hard for her to move around and get up there. She's a fatty fat cake, which needs to lose weight, but still, she's not going to use it for a while, so we wanted to get rid of it. So we got this one instead. So let's see how it works. Let's cut it open, see how long it takes me to put it together, and then we'll go from there. Okay? Let's do it. All right, so it comes in the box just like this. It's all wrapped up in a very thick bag. Let's open the bag up. So we got our bag of screws right here, which are very thick, big bag of screws. We got, I think this is the mount for the wall. I think this one is the mount for the wall. That goes to mount it so it doesn't tip over. So we got the bed over here that's gonna wrap around. One of the things over here. Here's more scratching posts, so we got some scratching posts here. Whoa, what was that? Anyway, smaller scratching posts. Got these. Some more legs, some more pieces here that we're gonna have to figure out. So I'm just trying to speed this up to make it quick, you know? So, so we got more of those in there. Here's the instruction manual on how to put it together. Pretty much right here, so we're gonna check that out. All right, so we got that apart so far. Those are all the pieces. It looks pretty simple. I don't have my drill to make it really quick because I don't know where the bit is, so I don't feel like looking for it. It's gonna take me a lot longer. So let's just see if I can put it together right now for you with what they gave me, and we'll see how long it takes. Because when you use the drill, it speeds it up by like half the time. It's pretty crazy. But, all right. Alright, so I'm going to cut this part out. I'm going to look for the drill. That took way too long. It's so much easier with a drill, and I have a drill downstairs. It'll take me 3 minutes to look for the what's it called, the bit for it. So I'm just gonna do that right now, and then we'll talk about this later. All right, so I'll be right back. All right, everyone, I'm back, and I found my drill, found the drill bit I need to get this job done. I didn't leave a screw behind, which is, thank God, good. So I got the screw, and we're gonna get this going. We're gonna drill this thing out. Let's do it. Let's get this thing complete. The only reason I'm using this drill is because I'm lazy. But you can do it with the other tool that they give you, but you know, I'm not in the mood to sit here for that long, so all the bottoms are on, so we just got to get all the tops on now. See how much faster that was? That was a lot faster. Okay, so we got that part done, and so that's I don't know what number that is, but that's at least done. Let's go on to the next one, step 2. So we got to get the base, it looks like. So this is the base right here, which is 1. It doesn't seem to have, 1 doesn't seem to have a front or back, so it should be fine every way we use it. All right, step 2 is done, so let's go on to step 3. Step 3 is all right, so that is it for Glen Velvet reviews on the cat setup. I am obviously going to speed this up, as you can see, because you're not going to watch me put the whole thing together. But it is very sturdy. It feels really good. It was from Chewy.com. I'm not sure the model number. If you want to know the exact specs and everything, let me know in the comments, and I'll tell you what they are. And that's it. So that was kind of the setup, scratching post. You can see a little setup. It feels very heavy duty. It feels very nice and sturdy. I like it compared to the other one that we got a couple videos ago. If you saw that one, I like it much better than that. So that's it for Glen Velvet Reviews. If you have any comments or questions, please post them down below. I would love to know. Also, subscribe to me, my channel, and join me on my review adventures as I put on other reviews about stuff about animals and everything pretty much that we got going on in this house. We always got something going on. So I like to put reviews of everybody on here, of all the stuff that we got, and help you guys out with spending your money and seeing if it's worth it for you to get it. So, that's it. So everyone be safe. Enjoy. Bye-bye, everybody.